Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in the today's science class. But as you know last time we completed our check your knowledge first and second. Now we today we are complete our exercise of the backside or in which first is that is the MCQ. That is the question number A. MCQ. Don't worry, these all later we send you in the WhatsApp group in writing form. But answer in this manner. MCQ में आपके पास बेटा टोटल 5 क्वेश्चन हैं. और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका which of the following is formed during anaerobic respiration? So answer will be B, that is lactic acid. Lactic acid. Okay. Second question है in which in fish carbon dioxide is exhaled through. Answer will be C, that is the gills. Now next number, third number question is sac like structure present in human being are called. Answer number third, D, alveoli. That is alveoli. Okay. Fourth number, lenticles are present in. That is answer will be B, plants. Okay. Now last fifth one of the MCQ. Which gas does turn lime water milky? Answer होगा A, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay sir, in this manner MCQ is complete now. B number, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. ध्यान से सुनना, इसमें ओनली क्वेश्चन बोलेंगे हम और सीधा आंसर लिख रहे हैं. There are 5 fill in the blanks. Yes, in which the aerobic respiration presents in the first answer presents in the presence of oxygen. Second number होगा बेटा yeast is an anaerobic. Anaerobic. And third number, in earthworm exchange of gases take place through, that is the moist skin. Okay. Now fourth number, that is trachea branches into bronchi. Okay. Now last one, taking in oxygen rich air into the body is called, that is inhalation. Answer number 5 of fill in the blanks, that is inhalation. Now next number C, that is the true false. In which we have again 5 true false. Question first, during exercise breathing rate can increase up to 25. That is true. Next number, In human, two lungs are present in abdomen cavity. In human, two lungs are present in abdomen cavity. True or false? This is false. Please stop. This is correct. Okay. Next number. During respiration, food is broken down to release energy. The third will be true. Fourth number, that is roots of the plant do not respire. That is false. And last one, that is aerobic respiration release more energy as compared to anaerobic respiration. This statement is true. Okay, this is about the true false. Now our next, that is about the match the following. Question number D. Match the following. मैच द फॉलोइंग में देखिए बेटा आपके पास टोटल कॉलम बन रहे हैं यहां पर कॉलम ए और बी, कॉलम ए एंड दिस इज कॉलम बी। ध्यान से देखना, यहां पर आपके पास दोबारा से वापस 5 क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं और इसमें है आपके पास क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 3 4 एंड देन 5। फर्स्ट में हम और इधर आपको क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं, आंसर दिए हैं, दैट इज ए बी सी डी और ई। अब हम आंसर बता रहे हैं इसका। फर्स्ट में है प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन और इसका आंसर होगा आपका दैट इज द बी एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन। Okay, now next one, that is about the E। क्वेश्चन है बेटा सेकंड का एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन और वो होता है एनारोबिक, जो आपका ई ऑप्शन में दिया है। और थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखना, मॉइस्ट स्किन और उसका आंसर होगा अर्थवॉर्म, दैट इज द आंसर नंबर थर्ड में सी होगा। फोर्थ नंबर नाउ, दैट इज द ए, क्वेश्चन इज ट्रेकियल ट्यूब्स और उसका आंसर होगा कॉकरोच, दैट इज ए आंसर। नाउ फिफ्थ, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड और इसमें आपका आंसर होगा बी, दैट इज मस्कुलर क्रैम्प। ओके, अप टू दिस इज एनफ फॉर नाउ। नेक्स्ट वन मोर क्वेश्चन वी आर सॉल्विंग, दैट इज द वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर। That is the number E। Yes sir, number E, that is the very short answers। In which answer number first, question is name the steps involved in the process of respiration। फर्स्ट नंबर होगा ब्रीथिंग, steps involved in respiration are number first, that is breathing, और सेकंड नंबर होगा cellular respiration. Okay. Now next question. Name the kinds of respiration. This is answer number 1 of very short. Now answer number 2. Kinds of respiration are kinds of respiration are first number, that is aerobic. Aerobic respiration. और सेकंड नंबर होगा एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. एनारोबिक respiration. Okay sir, this is answer number what, 1 or 2 complete. Okay, now one more question we are completing, that is the answer number 3. Please be careful. Question is, name 2 organisms in which exchange of gases occurs by diffusion through their body surface. और answer number 3 होगा, that is the amoeba and paramecium. Directly we are writing the answer, that is amoeba first number, second number paramecium. Okay, this is enough for today. Do complete this work and learn also. If within 1 or 2 days this matter will be reached to you in your WhatsApp group. Or be careful. Thank you very much. Okay.